how to manage memories in ChatGPT. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll guide you how you can manage your previously saved memories in ChatGPT. So if you wish to manage all of the memories which you have saved in ChatGPT, you will need to follow the simple steps. First, go to the chatgpt.com website and then click onto your profile picture at the bottom left corner. Then from this particular menu, either choose the personalization option or the settings. Now within the settings, click onto the personalization and from here scroll down until you see this particular option of memory. Make sure that both of your memories are enabled, only then your ChatGPT will be able to store memories. Nevertheless, if you wish to manage the memories, simply click onto this manage button and from here you will be able to see all of the memories that ChatGPT has stored for you. You can simply click onto these three options and from here you can choose to delete the memories or even sort them with the newest date or the oldest date as well. So that was all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.